If you're looking for an outside activity that will last for hours for your child, for yourself, for your neighbors, I highly recommend this drone right here. This drone, we have used it today for hours on end, and it comes with 3 batteries, so all 3 of them are practically dead. We have spent hours on this today. We had a family fun day today, and my 6-year-old and my husband were fighting over this drone. It does say for 14 and up, but he did get in there and tried to use it a little bit. Very easy to use, very mom and dad friendly. I wanted to get a drone for the family so we can see aerial shots. This is a very like beginner friendly, not hugely expensive, so if it did fall down, mayday, I wouldn't be too stressed about it. I'll show you briefly how it works. This right here is pretty foolproof. It took minutes to figure out everything. There is an instruction book, but you know, kind of push and play. So here's the drone, and here is the remote. It has a camera, replacement parts. There's a camera right here, and the bottom camera. I'm absolutely blown away with it. So my child wanted a drone, and I thought, should we get it? Yes. I'm telling you, yes. Very easy to use, up, down, over. You turn it on. I'm surprised it actually is going to turn on because it does come with 3 different batteries, and we've used them all day. This was like a more family experience for me. I wanted a drone, but I also wanted it for my child because he's been begging for them. So you turn it on, and it has pretty simple instructions. It shows to kind of like, let's turn this bad boy on. Where is that? I can't find it. It's too dark now. Oh, there it is. I mean, how cool is that? So when you turn it on, it kind of has to, you like leave it there for a minute, and then it'll connect. And I'll show you what it looks like when it does connect. It will, like, you kind of have to, when it does connect, you kind of have to figure out the positioning. Oh, there it goes. It's saying, yes, I'm here. So very simple. Do you see that? Do you see that? Now, we live by a body of water, and I wanted the ability for my child to see what it looks like from outer space. He says, I am absolutely blown away with the quality of this machine. I thought to myself, is he ready for a drone? Not really, but he's so ecstatic over it, and my husband, they were fighting over this. So if you are looking for an outside activity for your child, and you thinking like it's coming into the warmer months, what can we do as a family? This is more like family, child, or hobby do-it-yourselfer. It's running out of battery because we've used it all day today. I am blown away. It has GPS coordinates. It comes back to you when the battery starts to die. Has replacement blades, these right here. Now I'm going to briefly show you turning it on because this bad boy, oh boy, you are going to be impressed. I was hesitant getting a drone on Amazon. Like, should I? Yes, I'm here to tell you yes. So it's connecting. Oh, there it goes. Whoa. Whoa. Can you see me? Can you see me? Now, could you imagine this? This has really good picture, and you can see so far away. It has like a GPS mode, so it knows where you're at. If it gets low battery, it comes back to you. And you can, this is like up and down. I will turn this on here and see if I can get it to work. Okay. Now, I am absolutely blown away with the quality of this drone. And if you're looking for a drone and you don't know where to start and you're thinking, should I get one? Highly recommend it. My son thinks it's the best thing. Can you see my donkey? He is a little obsessed with it himself because he wants to eat it. I'm trying to keep him away from it. So it comes with replacement parts, has extra batteries that it comes with that they're currently dead. And it has like little replacement blades because you know, if you're a beginner on this, yep, you do need replacement blades for it. So I And it does have like an automatic stop. If there is something around it and it needs to stop, it will stop. This thing is so smart. I recommend this drone to anyone and everyone because it's like the beginning step to like, should we get a drone? Not $1,000 drone that I'm definitely gonna break and then be bummed out about it. If you're looking for a family activity, if you're looking for something to get the kids out of the house, and they're gonna absolutely be in love with this thing, because then if they crash it and it burns, and or they're fighting over it, you need more battery. The battery level lasted for so long, and it barely has any juice left because I'm just blown away with how fun it was.